Secretary Granholm, thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you, Dan, so much. I must say that it feels very emotional for me, even though I'm not from Pittsburgh, but I am from Detroit, and I get it. I get what you were describing, Matt, as this deep knowledge that in our DNA, we are all about manufacturing in America. I am obsessed, and the president is obsessed too, which is why when you talk about the Defense Production Act, the president sees our national security embedded in our manufacturing capability in this country. He sees it as a part of our national strength, that we reshore manufacturing and that we build the products that will get us to our clean energy future here. The president has a goal of 100% clean electricity by 2035 and a net zero economy by 2050. What does that mean? It means jobs. Hello. This is a $23 trillion global opportunity. $23 trillion. Y'all, you are going to be making it here. You're going to be stamping it made in America. We're going to be using it in America, and you're going to be able to supply the rest of the world with these products that say made in America. That's what the president wants. The whole supply chain, not just of solar, but of all clean energy. He wants to see manufacturing in America. The fact that this facility built landing craft for the invasion of Normandy, the workers here answered the call in that war. And we are in another war. Yes, it's a war in Ukraine, but it's also a war for our energy security. The president invoked the Defense Production Act. Truly what you are doing here, what you workers are doing here, you are answering the call in the same way that those many years ago, the workers here answered the call to serve their nation. And what you'll be delivering might be part of the greatest peace plan the world has ever known. No country has ever been held hostage to access to the sun. Wind has never been weaponized like we are seeing right now with a petro-dictator weaponizing energy. The way we will be secure as a nation is because you are giving us the arms to do so. So thank you for answering the call. You have enlisted, you are conscripted in the war of our lifetimes, which is the war against climate change and the war to be energy independent and secure. And I don't know about you, but I'm reporting for duty.